What's going on, guys? Welcome to the new shop. So this is a new space that I'm going to be using from here on out. There's my dog, Mika. She got her here, of course. Keeping me company, giving me a hand. So it's a little bit messy right now. The walls were gray, they've been painted white. Splitting this shop with Just Detailed. So Sean does a lot of ceramic coating, and this thing's in for a ceramic coating at M3 here. We're gonna epoxy the floors, so that's something that has to be done, I think, because if you look at the floors, they're pretty gross, especially over in this area. But we've got a couple of projects on the go right now. We've got Lamborghini Huracan in a full print. We've got the Infiniti Q50 in a full chrome, satin, or Miami Tiffany chrome, or Miami satin chrome, whatever you want to call it. But this is going to be in an upcoming video, so don't forget to subscribe to this, because you're going to want to see how I install this, how we go about it, and what the film is that we're using. Again, you can find out more about the film that we're using on the Q50 as well, because this is something that you don't normally see at all. Not a very popular color, or not a very common color. It's very popular, a lot of people like it, but again, a little bit more difficult to install. And we did do a video on the hood install. Again, there's videos on the Huracan, and I did want to show you guys around the shop. So there are some plans for sure about what we're doing here. A lot of it is pretty nice already. It's just a little unorganized, and that's about it. Got all my stuff in here, so I've got unlimited squeegees, vinyl, whatever else. Shelves everywhere. We gotta put up some more lighting, and let's have a look in the front. So it's about 2,000 square feet in the shop, 2,100 square feet in the shop. The whole place is about 29. This is the front area, and this front area is more of like a waiting room, or when you come in, we've got, there's desks, there's iPads, unlimited amount of iPads, ATM, whatever you need, coffee. Probably put a couch in here or a table or something, just something to sit at and be a little bit more comfortable in case you're waiting. Not a lot of people do wait for a car wrap, since it does take a few days to do. We might need a refrigerator and a stove in that case. But yeah, we've got all kinds of swatch books and stuff like that kicking around, and it's a great location. So we're over here in Vaughan in Ontario. So for those of you who are wondering where we're at, we're in Canada, and major intersection, Highway 7 and the 400. Great spot, love it here. A lot of space, as you can see. I know you guys were really asking for a tour of a shop. You know what, I'm here now, and I think this is a great place to show you. We'll have a look. We'll have a look outside, and we'll walk you out of here. But yeah, this is it. So I'm very excited about it. This is where all the training's gonna happen. This is where all the car wraps are gonna happen. This is where all the videos are gonna happen. And that's it, guys. Have a good one.